is Roselena and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk to y'all about this current hair I am wearing and I have been wearing for the last month. It is from ANNMODE hair and I wanted just to come to y'all really quick just to give y'all my thoughts and opinions. I am currently on vacation in Cartagena, Colombia, so this is going to be a short video. I'm only going to talk about a few things, but if y'all are interested, just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm in a hostel, so I'm going to whisper a little bit, but I hope y'all can hear me. So we are going to start with how I found the hair. So I kept looking for other kinky curly vendors and this one kept coming up first, but I didn't see a lot of like YouTube videos of people talking about it, and I don't know, but there was a lot of reviews on their actual like page and everything. So I was just like, well, the hair is very cheap, so let me just try it and see if I hate it or if I like it. And when I got it, I was not really knowing what to expect, but when I got it, something in my spirit just told me like this is the type of hair that they sell like behind the counter at like Chinese beauty supply stores, because it seemed like, yes, human hair, but it seemed like it definitely had a blend in there. Like it did not give me like any Remy vibes or any virgin vibes. So I just want to give y'all that as the kind of like idea of what you should be expecting. I think, yes, it's good hair, but it's I don't know, it's like just, you know, lower end to medium end hair, you know. Like let's say if you go to a beauty supply store, I feel like they sell those bundles for probably like 40 or 50 a bundle. I'm not really sure because I haven't been in a beauty supply store in years, but all the hair I got, mind you, I bought 4 bundles of 18 inches and it was $80. So that was to me a really good price, and I feel like you'd probably get like 2 bundles or maybe 1 bundle for that in a beauty supply store. So yeah, now talking about the I would say the shedding. Now shedding with this hair, I think the shedding with this hair is about a good 7. I would give it a 7 because it does shed. But I think it's because the roots on this hair is very, let me show y'all. The roots on this hair is very wavy, if y'all can see. I'm not really sure if y'all can see that, but the top is like a wave and the bottom is like an actual frizzy curl. Now, I was kind of confused by that texture when I first saw the hair. I really didn't know how to style it or like blend it or anything for a good week. It was just a lot of trial and error. And the way I used to style my hair when I have extensions is use a lot of conditioner as a leave-in and a styler, and yeah, like that's really all I used. Now with this hair, it like took me a while, but I had to realize it doesn't really require anything. You can honestly just get like a spray leave-in conditioner or like water mixed in with conditioner, and like that's all you need to do is spritz it with that. And for my leave-out, I just always use gel. And but anyways, shedding is a 7, but I think it's very average. I think it's very average, but try it and see for yourself. It's not like you're gonna have hair falling everywhere. It's just like if you play in it all day, you'll get a little hairball come out. So shedding is not bad. So I think tangling with this hair is like I said, not a thing. Like this hair is too soft to tangle because the curl pattern is just, I don't know how to describe. This hair is very flowy and feather-like, so it's very lightweight. It's the most lightweight extensions I've ever had, honestly, because I have 4 bundles in and it feels like I have in like 2.5, to be honest. But it's never tangled to me. Like I can run my fingers through it all day and it just gets like really frizzy and it may shed. So tangling, no. And let me think. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. I keep thinking, is there anything else for me to talk about? But I really don't think there is. Like I said, the shedding is 7, which is very normal. And the price was $80 for 4 bundles of 18 inches. I will be repurchasing the hair, and there is no tangling. So yeah, I am definitely a happy customer, and if you guys are interested or anything I did not cover, just leave a comment down below. And yeah, so I will talk to y'all in my next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Mwah.